as you might know, when HP announced their 3D printer, the entire 3D printing industry was shooked up because they really believe that HP has unique technology and financial capability to develop it and bring it to a different level. So without further ado, I present HP 3D printer.
We believe that 3D printing will fundamentally change the way we design, produce and distribute products also in the Philippines. We are set to take Philippines in the global competition and the world stage through 3D printing. For us at HP, the ultimate goal is not to just transform the 3D printing industry, because that is small, that is not very big, but actually to transform the $12 trillion manufacturing industry worldwide as a whole.
This is the solution that we brought to market. It's our first product that we launched, right? It's our 4200 Multi-Jet Fusion 4200 and 4210 platform. It is an industrial production printer. At HP, we believe that our aim is to disrupt manufacturing. Right? It's not about doing the same thing as others have done in the 3D printing market. It's truly about going after that 12 trillion manufacturing market.
Once again, thanks for coming, and I want all of you to enjoy the rest of the day. Please experience the innovation that we are showcasing here, and I'm available here with my team to take any questions that you might have individually later on. Thank you very much once again.